Hey everyone, Dave Cook of Franco Painting and Wallpaper, and we are working on some kitchen cabinets. So it's kind of funny how the same kitchen can have different cabinets on there. These, I haven't seen it, but I'm gonna guess these are bottom cabinets with water damage, just the finishes coming off. But one of the reasons I want to show you is that. So when we're bidding on cabinet jobs, we have a disclaimer in there if there's extra cleaning that needs to be done. This should be an example of a kitchen cabinet that needs extra time in order for us to clean it. If we're there and you guys can clean off ahead of time for us, great. Otherwise, it's just whatever time we need to get this stuff off there is what we charge the extra time to clean it. Typically, a door takes us about 4 to 5 minutes. This will probably take us about 10-15 minutes by the time we let that soak and get that grease out of there and then oil prime that. So just something to think about as we're bidding your cabinets. Some of the disclaimers, what they mean. There's exactly what we're talking about when extra time is needed. Now, if you've got other questions about refinishing your cabinets or painting your cabinets, please give us a call. Let us know. Love to see how we could help you. Love the space you're in.